Hi everyone, my name is Ayal and I'm one of the team members here at JG Extensions. Today I'll be showing you the new features we've added to Smart SEO, or Joomla SEO extensions. These include a great new interface, functionality improvements, and a few more features that were requested by many of our users. For this demonstration, I'll be using an online demo website that we've set up. Feel free to check it out for yourself using the links on our product page. It will surely help you feel how easy it is to use Smart SEO for your own Joomla website. So let's get started. I'll be demonstrating Smart SEO on Joomla 1.7, but it works just the same on Joomla 1.6 and 1.5. First, as some of you may already know, the best thing about Smart SEO is that it's a front-end extension. This means that unlike other SEO extensions, you can edit your SEO metadata easily by browsing your website. To allow this, Smart SEO requires that you log in as an administrator. So let's log in. Our demo uses the username and password demo. Once logged in, the Smart panel will show. Before I'll detail about the new features, I'd like to start by providing a general overview of what Smart SEO is. Smart SEO is a Joomla extension that lets you gain control over your metadata. Joomla websites contain many different components, and these don't always include the option to say titles, meta keywords, or descriptions for their pages. Think about your e-commerce site using Virtuemart, or your forum, for example. It's impossible to set different meta information for all these pages, especially from your administration panel. That's where Smart SEO comes in. It lets you set your SEO metadata for all your pages in the same easy way, regardless of what component they are generated from. You can even add metadata to your search results if you wanted. So let's start going over the new features. First, a new layout. We've made considerable interface changes to how Smart SEO panel looks and functions. We've moved things around a bit and added some new buttons. Now you can move the panel around and it will remember its position, like so. Or by clicking the middle area at the top bar. Snapping. To allow even more flexibility, you may like to snap the panel to the top of your screen. You can do this by holding the button and dragging the panel onto the top of your browser. Notice a little dark black border will show. This means it's now snapped. You can easily disattach it from the top by dragging it to the middle again. And now it will stay where it is. If you want it to scroll with you, you can simply snap it again, like so. Another great feature that was requested by our users is minimizing and closing. You can now minimize Smart SEO so it doesn't get in your way if you're not currently using it. To do so, you can either minimize it into a small bar by clicking the minimize icon, or close it to a small square that shows up on the top left corner of your website. Don't worry, your visitors cannot see this. Only you as an administrator can see and use Smart SEO. You can also do the same thing when the panel is not snapped to the top. You can minimize it, or you can close it. Now let's talk about how to actually use Smart SEO. To be honest, it's very simple. All you need to do is add a title, keywords, and description to the page you're currently in and click Apply. The information will then be saved and displayed later on when a visitor enters the page. To set this information to other pages, we simply navigate to them and repeat the process like so. As you can see, this is a page that I've already set up. This is the home page of my demo site. I'll browse to the Getting Started page. Smart SEO then shows me the title and current keywords and description for that page. Let's edit the title. I'm going to write Getting Started with Joomla 1.7 and then add some keywords. Whenever I'm done entering a keyword, I'll press Enter and it will be remembered as a keyword in its own box. Just going to write Joomla getting started, new version, and let's say open source. I'll move on to the description, and I'm just going to put in some demo text, which is going to say this is a demo description for Joomla 1.7 Smart SEO demo. Once I'm done, I'll click apply, and the information will be updated in the database and on the page itself. You'll notice how now the page title is getting started with Joomla 1.7, the same as when I entered here. Also notice that the lights now indicate the information that is generated by Smart SEO for this page. So for example, if I'll delete this description and hit apply, you can see now that one of the lights is missing. This helps you know what pages you've already set up and what pages you haven't by Smart SEO. If I'll go back to the home page now, you'll see that the panel will show me the details I've inserted initially on the home page. The panel shows up with the details I've added on the home page. I can edit those details and click apply, or I can navigate to other pages on my website and continue my SEO work. For general use, we suggest you snap the SEO bar to the top and minimize it. This way, it doesn't get in your way when you're logged in as a super administrator. Now you can navigate your site easily, doing all the functions that you want to do as an administrator, regardless if you're using Smart SEO or not. When you encounter a page that doesn't have all these lights filled, you know that you want to edit it and add SEO information to it. So for example, if I'm just an administrator browsing through my site and I get into the using Joomla page, easily, just by looking at the top bar, I can tell that I haven't added any SEO information for this page. What I'll do is click the open icon. The panel will show, and I can now start adding keywords and description to this page. Once I'm done, I can either minimize it or use it open when I continue browsing. I can move on to, for example, the extensions using in Joomla, and the panel will show up as it is because it remembers its last. So that's pretty much it. Now you know how easy it is to use Smart SEO for your Joomla website. Feel free to contact us at info@jjextensions.com and look up the other videos of Smart SEO and how to install it on YouTube or through our product page at jjextensions.com. I hope you enjoyed this video and wish you the best of luck using Smart SEO for Joomla.